place pewter border blank vertically on your stamping block. Then hold your 6mm diamond border stamp so that the ImpressArt logo is facing the side. Now you're going to start at the top corner of your blank and angle your stamp between the black border and the edge. Then you're going to rock the stamp so it's flat, hold it firmly in place, then take your hammer and give it one hard hit. And this technique of rocking the stamp will make sure that the impressions line up with the impression that you just stamped. And it will also make sure that you're placing the stamp between the black border that's on the blank as well as the edge of the blank. And you'll continue this technique of tilting the stamp and rocking it so it's flat until the entire border of the blank is stamped to your preferred liking. So now you're going to turn your blank into a horizontal position on the block. Then take 2 pieces of tape and you're going to secure your blank to the block by taping the edges of the blank down. Next, you're going to take a straight stamp guide out of your stamp guide book and you're going to place it in the center just below where you want your word to be stamped. Now you'll use a pen and you're going to write your word directly onto your stamp guide using the guide marks to help you space out your letters. And now to stamp your word, you're just going to follow basic stamping techniques, making sure that the ImpressArt logo of the stamp is facing you. After you're done stamping, you're just going to highlight your word impressions as well as your border impressions with stamp enamel marker, and you'll let it dry for 3 to 5 minutes until the enamel dries completely. Once dry, take a paper towel and lightly wipe away the excess enamel from the surface of the blank. Remember, you can use a little bit of rubbing alcohol to help you. You can create a necklace by using chain nose pliers to laterally twist and separate a jump ring. Then you'll slide your blank onto the jump ring and drape a chain over the open ring. Then you'll take your chain nose pliers again and laterally twist the jump ring back with tension to close, and this will finish your necklace. You can also create a keychain by using a split key ring. So you'll use your fingernail to lift the end up of the ring, slide your blank onto the split key ring, and you'll turn the ring until your blank is attached, creating a keychain.